And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a pointilize effect in Adobe Photoshop. You'll find the image via the description link below. First thing we need to do is we need to convert it to CMYK, so go to Edit and convert to Profile. And on the profile you want to have working CMYK. Under RGB this effect doesn't work that well, so we'll use the CMYK. Let me copy it, pressing Ctrl J, and I'll rename that to pointilize. As a background color you want to have a whitish color. It shouldn't be completely white, a little bit off white, something like this. And it should be in the background, so make sure it's the background color. Then go to Filter, Pixelate and Pointilize. When you play around with the cell size, you see you can create very abstract effects, and the background color is this off-white. Let us go up to, let us try 10 as a size. It depends on the image size, what it looks like. That's a little bit too strong, I press Ctrl Z. Good idea is to create a smart object. So right click, convert to smart object, and then apply the pointilize filter. That way we can adjust it more easily. And that looks way better. If you still want to adjust it, just double click on the effect on your layer, go down with the cell size, press OK, and it will be done. And this is how easy you can create this pointilize effect. Let me show you when I zoom in. We've got the white now as a background for all of these little points. And as I've set the cell size, you'll have to adjust it depending on the size of the image that you're using. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.